Hello, Sheridan Stars. We are here with our video on sharks. Okay, so our book is all about sharks. This is a texto informativo because it's about real things and we're going to learn something about sharks. Okay, the autor is Annie. Annie wrote the story, escribió el cuento. Okay, table of content. That's where I can find everything. Chump. What is quick? What is quiet? What has 5 rows of teeth? What glides through the water? Chump. It's a shark. Sharks live in all of Earth's oceans. They have been here for a long time. Sharks were here before dinosaurs. This is a shark. A shark is a fish, but a shark is not like other fish. Sharks do not have bones. They have soft cartilage instead. Cartilage helps shark twist and turn. Cartilage helps sharks move and bend. Shark skin feels bumpy and rough. It's hard like sandpaper. It protects sharks and helps them swim faster. Okay, so remember, sharks do not have bones. They don't have bones. Shark pups. Shark babies are called pups. Some pups grow inside their mothers. Other pups hatch from eggs. Lemon shark pups grow inside their mothers. The lemon shark mother goes to shallow waters to give birth. The pups stay near the shallow water until they are grown. Okay, so there are different types of sharks. This is called a lemon shark. Swallow shark pups hatch from eggs. The mother sharks lay the eggs in hard cases. People call the case a mermaid's purse. Swallow shark mothers lay up to 5 egg cases at a time. In 9 months, the swallow shark's pups are born. Pups grow up. When shark pups grow up, they are awesome predators. They have many ways to sense their prey. Did you know that a shark can smell blood from miles away? It can smell 1 drop of blood in 25 million drops of ocean. Remember, a predator is animals that eat other animals. A prey are animals that are eaten by other animals. Okay, this is called a nurse shark. Sharks can be better. Sharks can see better than humans can, even in deep, dark waters. A shark can see its prey. Sharks take a test bite of prey before eating. Their taste buds tell them if the prey is fat enough to eat. This is a great white shark. What big teeth you have! Sharks have many rows of teeth. They are always losing some teeth. They are always growing new teeth. A shark uses up to more than 10,000 teeth in its life. This is called a sand tiger shark. Different sharks have different teeth. Their teeth are perfect for what they eat. Long, spiky teeth are for catching. Flat teeth are for grinding. Okay? Imagine this. A giant shark is gliding through the water. A swimmer is nearby. The shark gets closer. It is huge. It opens its giant mouth and sucks a big mouthful of water. The swimmer is fine. The shark is a whale shark. Whale sharks are the biggest sharks, but they have tiny teeth. They eat tiny animals called plankton. Blue ribbon sharks. There are about 375 different types of sharks. The weirdest one is the hammer shark. The smallest is this one. The creepiest is the great white shark. The fastest is the mako shark. Now you see them. Some sharks glow in the dark. Do you see something shiny in the water? Watch out! The tiny lantern shark is covered with a glow-in-the-dark slime. The lantern shark is a deep sea shark. Many deep sea animals glow. Scientists think glowing might help predators attract prey. Okay, so remember, this is a lantern shark. Beautiful and shiny. Now you don't. Most sharks are hard to see. They have a dark back. From above, they blend in with the water. They have a white belly. From below, they blend in with the sky. Some sharks have special ways to hide. Just like this one, have colors like a seafloor. Their mouths have parts that look like seaweed. Fish swim in but never get out. Okay, so this is another different type of shark. Shark attack. One day, Bethany went surfing. Suddenly, a tiger shark attacked. It tugged her as she held into her surfboard. It took a big bite out of her surfboard. It also took Bethany's left arm. After the attack, Bethany went to keep surfing. She is not afraid to go in the water. She knows that shark attacks are rare. People attack. Shark attacks are scary and terrible. Sharks can be a danger to people, but people are a bigger danger to sharks. Millions of sharks die in nets set to catch other fish. Others are killed on purpose. Many types of sharks may become extinct. Sharks have been on Earth for millions of years. Sharks and people need to learn to share the sea. This is a gray reef shark. The end. Okay, my friends, so this is the book, the texto informativo, and your CISA activity. You will need to draw something that you learn about sharks, and you have to type it in and record. Alrighty, my friends, have a great day.